I think one of the most exciting findings, one of the concepts that we look at with little kids is how well do they integrate text and picture together. It's challenging to do this. A lot of times kids might just write text, or they might just draw a picture, or they might have, the picture might be completely unrelated to the text, or it might be really related or duplicate that information. And so what we found with kids who participated in SWH classrooms, their text and picture were highly integrated, meaning it wasn't just a duplication of a concept in the text. It was actually adding something in a way that provided a more coherent picture of their understanding. And so, typically the majority of the kids in across kindergarten to second grade who were in SWH classrooms, they were highly cohesive, whereas kids who were in traditional science classrooms, at most a third would be highly cohesive. And we know prior to kids getting to school, that's how they naturally learn. They do all sorts of little experiments. So a baby in a high chair will drop things off repeatedly to sort of test this notion and come to understand what gravity is. And so when they get to school in a traditional classroom, it tends to have a different kind of focus on the teacher imparting knowledge to the kids. And in an SWH classroom, it's much more of a shared transaction, a shared negotiation. And so in that respect, the kids, it's a very different environment. And I think that's why we find transfer of benefits of being in an SWH classroom in areas like math and reading. It's really different from just learning the facts about science. It's really this practice of engaging in science and in thinking about the ways you ask questions and how you generate knowledge. And kindergarten through second graders organize how they're presenting what they know about whatever topic it happens to be. And these kids are using more of these informative text organizational features. And so what I think is going on is that if you're using more of these organizational features, and you're presenting the information more cohesively, that means you've better represented that information in your own mind. And we're helping kids engage in a process where they can figure out how to find out those facts and to test those facts, like, are they truly facts, or is this just something someone's telling me? And to, sort of test out those ideas. That's what science is, and that's what these very young children are doing.